Telangana blast, the death toll has risen to 35. 35 dead in the Telangana blast. The tragedy, as the debris is going to be cleared, it is currently underway. There are still, unfortunately, many workers who are said to be trapped. They are feared trapped inside. And 34 people have been hospitalized so far after the reactor blast. My colleague Shomit is joining us on the broadcast. In fact, he also reported from the ground. Shomit, we are getting the update of the death toll rising to 35. Take us through the rescue operations that are currently underway.
Well, that's true, Pratibha. You know, in this unfortunate incident which reported yesterday at around 9:30 in the Pachamailaram area in Medak district. Actually, this is in the outskirts of the Hyderabad city, and this is industrial area. And one of the, in this industrial area, there are several big companies, and one of the private companies, Agachi company, this blast has reported, and around 150 members were there in the shift working at that time, in the company, and around 90 workers. It was initially estimated that around 90 workers were directly affected, when this blast occurred. And yesterday the death toll around raised to 15, 16, and because the rescue operation continued overnight, NDRF, SDRF, all the other authorities, including police and the fire services, they continued the rescue operation. They tried to clear the debris. They tried to remove that entire material which fell off after this blast and this three-story building collapsed. So, 35 people, workers have died in this unfortunate incident, and still few workers are in critical condition, and death toll might raise. And over 34 workers are still undergoing treatment at the 3 different hospitals in Sangareddy and Medak. So, as of now, the rescue operation is still continuing, and Chief Minister is yet to visit there, and around 10:30 even Chief Minister is expected.
So the Chief Minister is also going to be visiting the spot. Shomit, thank you for joining us with those updates. We'll come back to you for more updates